ओम श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः. ओम श्री भवानी शंकराय नमः. ओम श्री मात्रे नमः. सभा प्रारंभ प्रार्थना म्हणून ह्या विशेष धर्मसभेक प्रारंभ करूया. ओम दक्षिणास्य समारंभा शंकराचार्य मध्यमा अस्मदाचार्य पर्यंता स्मर्या गुरुपरंपरा श्रुतिस्मृति पुराणानाम् आलयं करुणालयं नमामि भगवत्पादं शङ्करल्लोकशङ्करं शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः. ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः. परिज्ञानाश्रम श्रीगुरुशङ्कर परिज्ञानाश्रम शङ्कर सद्गुरु केशववामन कृष्णपाण्डुरङ्ग आनन्द परिज्ञानगुरु सद्योजात शङ्कर सद्गुरु गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णुर्गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुः साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः. ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं कर्वावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै. ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः. आता गिरवाण प्रतिष्ठेच्या रिटायर्ड टीचर सांगलो सौम्यांगेल दिव्य हस्ते सत्कार समारंभ जातलो. तरी हांव संगीता पवारपाची एक विनंती करता की तिने हाचे सूत्रसंचालन करता म्हणून.
ओम श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः. श्री भवानी शंकराय नमः. श्री मात्रे नमः. अज्ञानतिमिरान्धस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुरुन्मीलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः. परम पूज्य श्री चरणान् प्रणम्य अहं गीर्वाण प्रतिष्ठायाः कार्यक्रमे भवतां स्वागतं व्याहरामि. गीर्वाण प्रतिष्ठा अभ्यासक्रमस्य आरम्भः यदा जातं ततः शिक्षकाः केवलं सेवावृत्त्या विना अभिज्ञानम् इत्युक्ते विदौट् रेकग्निशन् निरन्तरं पाठितवन्तः. अधुना केचन शिक्षकाः अस्वास्थ्यकारणात् तथा वृद्धत्वात् पाठयितुं न शक्नुवन्ति. तेषां कार्यस्य तथा तेषाम् उचितं सत्कारं कर्तुम् एषः कार्यक्रमः आयोजितः. अधुना अहं गीर्वाणप्रतिष्ठायाः अध्यक्षं श्रीचैतन्यगुल्वाडी महोदयम् आह्वयामि.
ओम श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। श्री भवानी शंकराय नमः। श्रीमात्रे नमः। पंचविंशत्याधिकवर्षेभ्यः पूर्वं केचन साधकाः गुरुप्रेरणां प्राप्य संस्कृतशिक्षणम् आरब्धवन्तः। कस्माच्चित् समयानन्तरं गुरुवर्याणाम् अनुमतिं स्वीकृत्य ते अन्येभ्यः संस्कृतं पाठयितुम् आरब्धवन्तः। तदा गीर्वाणप्रतिष्ठा नाम्ना श्रीचित्रापुरमठस्य संस्कृतविभागस्य स्थापना अभवत्। प्रथमतः आराधनावर्गस्य प्रारम्भः अभवत्। शनैः शनैः साधना धारणादि पाठ्यक्रमाः सिद्धाः जाताः। शिक्षकाणाम् अपि स्तरवर्धनं जातम्। यथा यथा अस्माकं छात्राणां गणना वर्धिता तथा तथा शिक्षकाणां संख्या अपि वर्धिता। ये गीर्वाणप्रतिष्ठायाः छात्राः सन्ति ते निश्चितं जानन्ति यत् अस्माकं शिक्षकाः कथं परिश्रमेण स्नेहेन क्षान्त्या च पाठयन्ति। गुरुचरणेषु अपार भक्तिः एव तेषां प्रेरणा। सेवाभावेन निस्वार्थभावेन एतावत् कालं ते छात्रेभ्यः पाठयन्ति। तेषाम् एव एषा सेवा श्लाघ्या प्रशंसनीया एव इति न संशयः। अद्य वयम् अस्माकं केषाञ्चन ज्येष्ठशिक्षकाणां सत्कारं कर्तुम् इच्छामः। केचन पाठनकार्यात् निवृत्ताः, केचन अद्यापि उत्साहेन स्वज्ञानं वितरन्ति अपि च अन्य शिक्षकाणां मार्गदर्शनं कुर्वन्ति। अद्य आयोजिते एतस्मिन् समारम्भे गुरुवर्याणां दिव्यहस्ताभ्यां तेषां सत्कारः भवेत् इति गुरुचरणयोः अहं सविनयं प्रार्थनां करोमि।
पूज्य स्वामीजी, तुमगल चरणांतू अनुमती घेऊन मुखावेल कार्यक्रम आमची भाषेंतू प्रस्तुत करता। सर्वप्रथम हांव किशोर अडूरमामा विशयी सांगतस। किशोर अडूरमाम गिरवाण प्रतिश्ठेचे आरंभाधोरनू विलेपार्ले सभेंतू संस्कृताचे वर्ग घेतालो। ताल्याक शिकतल छात्र आजी गिरवाण प्रतिष्ठांतू शिक्षक जावन सेवा अर्पण करतसती। मायरी पुण्यनगरींतू स्थलांतर करना पुढे काही काळ तो संस्कृत वर्ग घेतालो। हांव किशोर अडूरमामाक प्रार्थना करता तांणी मुखार येवंका। सुमन हिरेबेटपाची बेंगळूर सभेंतू संस्कृताच्या आराधना साधना आणि धारणा वर्ग घेताली। बेंगळूर मठांतू वर्ग सुरू जाल्ल्या मागीर तिणें घारा वर्ग घेवचा सुरू केला। बेंगळुरांतल्या बहुशा वर्तमान शिक्षिका तिगल्याची मार्गदर्शनांतू शिकल्या ती। शिक्षकांगेल्या स्तरवर्धना खातीरय ती सदा प्रयत्नशील आसताली। हांव सुमन हिरेबेटपाचीक प्रार्थना करता तिने मुखार येवंका। श्रीकला कौशिकपाची आतां श्रीकलापाची सिंगापूर राबता जाल्यार ही पयल्या अंधेरीन थावन वर्ग घेताली। प्रथम श्रीराम विद्यालयांतू मागीर ही घारा आनी कोविड जायना फुडें ऑनलायन वर्ग घेताली। इंटरनेट कंप्युटर मोबायल वापरून वर्ग घेतना समस्या आयल्यार युवधारांतूल चेडवांगली मदत घेवन तिणें पुरा शिकून घेतला आनी आत्मविश्वासाने ऑनलायन वर्ग घेवचा सुरू केला। गीरवाण प्रतिष्ठा शिक्षकांगल्या स्तरवर्धना खातीरय पाच्ची वर्ग घेतिला हांव श्रीकला कौशिक पाच्चीक विनंती करता तीन मुखार येवंका. सुमन नागरकट्टी पाच्ची. सुमन पाच्ची पुण्यनगरींतू तिना शिक्षण संस्कृताचे पूर्ण केला. तिगेल सांगा ती शिकतल्यांक ती शिकयताली. छात्रांक वर्गांतू शिकयलेल कळणी जाल्यारी पाच्ची तांकां सुलभ करून शिकयताली. सुमन नागरकट्टी पाच्चीक हांव प्रार्थना करता तिने मुखार येवंका. कृष्णानंद मंकीकर माम. कृष्णानंद माम आजी आमकां शिक्षकांक शिकयतस. कृष्णानंद माम गिरवाण भाशेंतू अत्यंत निपुण. गिरवाण प्रतिश्ठा शिक्षकांगल्या स्तरवर्धना खातीर एक नियमीत वर्ग प्रति सप्ताह आसता, वंदना वर्ग. कृष्णानंद माम ह्या वर्गांतू शिक्षकांगल मार्गदर्शन करता. संस्कृत साहित्यांतूल विविध गद्य आणि पद्य काव्यांचेर तागेलें प्रभुत्वस त्यामिती शिक्षकांक शिकयतना मराठी भाशेंतुला किंवा संस्कृतांतूल अन्य काव्याचो रसास्वाद कंपॅरिझन कोरून तो विशय अतिशय रंजकरित्या शिकयता. त्यामिती तागेल वर्ग अतिशय लोकप्रिय आसती. कृष्णानंद मामाक हांव प्रार्थना करता ताणें मुखार येवंका. हांव सुजाता पाच्चीक मायका लागीं येवच्याक प्रार्थना करता.
श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः. वाचो विभान्ति यदुनग्रहेण तान् गुरुचरणान् प्रणम्य वाक्यद्वयं वक्तुं गुरुवरेभ्यः अनुज्ञा प्राप्ता. धन्यवाद प्रदर्शनकार्यं मह्यं दत्तमस्ति अद्य, किन्तु अहं चिन्तयामि एतेभ्यः गुरुवरेभ्यः यत् प्राप्तम् अस्माभिः तस्य कृते तु धन्यवादशब्दः न पर्याप्तः. अहं चिन्तयामि आजन्म वयम् उपकृताः स्मः. तर्हि गुरुवर्ये अहं प्रार्थयामि, गुरुवर्याणां चरणकमलेभ्यः अहं प्रार्थयामि यत् एते शिक्षकाः ये सेवानिवृत्ताः इदानीं तेषां कृते तेषां जीवनम् इदानीं आरोग्यपूर्णं भक्तिमयं भवेत् इति उक्त्वा अहं समापयामि.
धन्यवाद संगीता पाच्ची आणि डॉक्टर चैतन्य गुलवाडी माम आणि सुजाता पाच्ची. ऑगस्टांतू चातुर्मासा वेळाक उत्तिष्ठत म्हणून एक युनिक युवधारा संमेलन जालेलें. तरी ताजे बद्दल थोडी माहिती दिवच्याक आनी हें संमेलन घडोवन हाडलेल्या संजय शेट्टी मामालो परिचय दिवच्याक हांव मैथिली पडुकोनाकूक मुखार आपयता.
Jai Shankar. Chitrapur Yuvadhara Sammelan is an annual gathering that the Yuvadhara come to wherever Swamiji is observing Chaturmas each year. And we all went this year as well, hoping for the usual activities that Chaturmas Sammelan holds for us. But we were all in for a very big surprise. And the first surprise came in the form of Shri Sanjay Shekhar Shetty Mam, and I will give an introduction to him first. Celebrated filmmaker and national award winner Shri Sanjay Shekhar Shetty is a world champion martial artist and elite combat tactical trainer. He is the director of Krav Maga India and proprietor of Opticus Films Incorporated. With over 12 years of training alongside Israeli Special Forces, he is a certified instructor by the International Krav Maga Federation, IKMF, Israel. Mr. Shetty holds multiple national kickboxing titles, a world MMA championship, and gold-level credentials in bodyguard and law enforcement training. His global experience spans training elite forces, VIP protection teams, and special law enforcement units across Israel, Europe, and Asia. Specializing in hand-to-hand combat, weapons training, close protection, tactical driving, and combat psychology, he is widely recognized for his strategic approach to modern battlefield and urban warfare scenarios. With this introduction, I would like to now present a video that will give you an idea of what the Sammelan was and what we viewers participated wholeheartedly and enjoyed ourselves doing so. I request the media team to please play the video.
समेध्यते कविर्बृहस्पतिर्युवा हव्यपाट्युभास्यः ॐ जातवेदसे सुनवा असोममनाति यतो निदाहाति वेदाः सनः पर्षदति दुर्गाणि विश्वा तावेव सिन्धुं दुरितात्यग्निः दीपो ज्योतिर्ब्रह्मा दीपो ज्योतिर्जनार्दनः दीपो हरतु मेघान्तं समृद्धि वनमोऽस्तुते ॐ गतवामते योजजुर्वादशमे युगे अपावर्थयतीनां ब्रह्मा भवति सारथिः
क्षुद्रं हृदय दौर्बल्यं त्यक्तोत्तिष्ठ परन्तप. Kshudram, kshudrata, settling for something very petty when you can achieve more. Hridaya daurbalyam, I don't think I can do it. Tyaktva uttishta parantapa. There the uttishta word comes. Utho karke. Jagrata, uttishtata, jagrata, prapyavaran nibodhata. It is from the Upanishads. Swami Vivekananda ji had quoted that. Uttishta is tvam uttishta, tum utho. Tvam yuvam yuyam, bahuvachan uttishtata, all of you rise, uttishtata. Then jagrata, jago, arise, awaken, prapya varan nibodhata, be enlightened having received the boons. Makes sense so far? And what we have chosen for this particular Shivir is only one, Uttishta. I am not interested in Jagrata and Prapya Varan Nibodhata, because what happens is most people miss the Uttishtata and go into Jagrata, attempt to go. So you have a lot of understanding, a lot of talk, nothing happening, ineffective. Klibata is all that is. They can't handle one single situation. I want youngsters doing their upasana, doing well in life, bold enough to understand. I'm dealing with you, so when I give you an instruction, you should be able to understand something. Man, has to go. This is the problem that I have faced in all my yatras. Volunteers not able to, third party comes, they are more responsive. Do you understand this? Relevance of this, relevance of my being here, your being here in this mutt for this year, your spiritual seva, your spiritual discipline, anushtans, usme ek viryavatara chahiye hame karya. And it has to be manifest, not by being loud or something. You should be able to rise to the occasion. Kshudram, hridaya daurbalyam, wo sab chhodna hai. And unfortunately, the more intelligent you become, the more you will compensate for uttishta and think you are jagrata where it is not the case. You understand this? Let it sink in. I am not condemning, but these are hazards on the way of enlightenment. If you have understood, you think you have understood. So if I am explaining, see this, I can see this block in you, you understand. Yes, yes, I see. Then that person starts giving me more information, but nothing else is happening. That block is not going. Instead of that, just let the message go. Let the unconscious, subconscious really understand and come out transformed. So Uttishtha is more important. Then we can dare to go in for Jagrata. Otherwise, in the name of communication, in the name of understanding, a lot of Jagrati is happening, but there is no bala to execute that. And that is the bane of this Samaj. I want it wiped out. Guru Shishya Sambandhantu Shravan Munasta Aikuncha. Most of us are incapable of understanding, listening, because even as somebody is speaking, we are trying to formulate some defensive answer or something else. Let it penetrate the question, then let the answer. All these things have to come when you are in absolute seva. Not everybody gets this opportunity. Moment to moment ek hai asta. But these skill sets which he will teach you will make my life more comfortable. Because when I deal with you, you will understand what I am saying. And you won't do something very silly as is happening as yet. That's why I told him. And Sanjay, who is so connected with his serious skills, he'll customize it for us. Okay? So be bold, enjoy, it will be enjoyable. And there will be a transformation. Within 3 days, I want to see the difference.
The first step to this is trusting yourself, believing in yourself, that you can do this. Take charge of your life. Understand why that initiation, why you get up, who gets up quickly, who thinks I can do it, I will do it. If I'm not given an opportunity, maybe next time. But I know I'm capable of doing it. I'm not telling you to be disobedient. I'm trying to tell you to have a personality of your own. People will have whatever opinion, what you think is right, please go and voice it. What you think is wrong, please go and stop it.
हो 3 दिवसा कार्यक्रम श्री चित्रापूर मठाने आमगेल्या युवाजां खातीर आयोजीत केलेलो आनी ह्या वर्कशॉप कंडक्ट करूंक आमी खास मिस्टर संजय शेट्टी हाका आमी आमंत्रण दिलेलें. Sanjay Shetty needs no introduction. He is a big bhakta of Swamiji and has been associated with Sri Chitrapur Mutt for a long time. And more importantly, he is an ex-Krav Maga world champion and for many years. And not only that, he also trains the elite forces all over the world. And he's been doing that for many years. So Sanjay Shetty joined us to train the Yuvas. आणि ताणें उत्तिश्ट हाजें आध्यात्मिक म्हळ्यार द स्पिरिच्युअल एंड द फिजिकल सेन्स ताणें गोमटें करून ताजें एक मिश्रण करून ही वॉज ट्रेनिंग आवर यूथ फॉर 3 days. Let us hear from Sanjay Shetty what he has to say about the workshop.
Jai Shankar. I have been associated with the Mutt for over 2 decades now, a little over 2 decades. Vipin Mam introduced me to the Mutt and Swamiji, and I take great pleasure in doing what I am doing right now. The job given to me was to get the Yuvas to arise and take control, take hold of their life and what they're doing within the Mutt and outside in their own lives. I consider it as a huge honor to be doing what I did for the last 3 days now. And I see, for me, I have always been training elite forces around the world. I very rarely get to train civilians. In fact, I've been staying away from training civilians. On the request of Swamiji, I did this, and I was very happy to do this. In fact, I was pleasantly surprised the way they have picked up. Yes, I would reinforce that they would have to get their physical strength and physical upliftment to a great level, which I think is a work in progress. But having said this, the intellect was very much in place. They took to the training, they took to the reactions and a quicker body movement, a quicker defense, a quicker understanding of how the fulcrum operates or the leverage operates. So I was very happy to see the outcome. In fact, I could only say, in all honesty, that I could do only as much as I have learnt. But what they've come out is beyond what I had expected. So I cannot take the credit for the entire outcome of the whole thing. I'm sure there's some kind of intervention which I would, it's not that I would like to believe, but I could see happening.
So initially I wanted them to just react to me quickly. So it was whenever I would give a command, I wanted them to quickly get up, stand on their feet and react.
The neck front choke. You cup both your hands and to the wrist of the opponent, you jerk it out of your neck and bend your knee and kick on the groin. This has to happen simultaneously so that you take your opponent by surprise. The first thing here you do is lock your chin in between the V of the forearm and the arm. And then either pull the hair and push the finger below the nose and get the person in front of you, or you open the finger, the little finger, from the hand of the opponent and break it. Choke against the wall. You hold the opponent's hand below his elbow. Sit down towards gravity, guiding him towards the wall which you're leaning against. In a bear hug, if it is frontal and if your hands are free, then you can clasp it around the ear or puncture the eyes or push the nose away or press the pressure point which is between the two collarbones. All these send neuro messages to retreat. The bear hug is with both your hands inside. You make a gap, you slap the inner thigh, you kick the shin, and you also try and dig into the instep. You can use gravity, sit down, and roll over with body weight. Figure of 4 is when you bend the elbow with the help of the wrist. Put your hand behind the shoulder of the opponent and twine it onto the wrist in front. It also makes the figure of 4. This lock hyperextends the elbow and the shoulder. A little bit of pivot and the shoulder breaks. The first ring of protection will be of 5 people.
My job is just not this corner. My job is that corner and this corner. So I'm the first line of defense within the 5. So I will go here, that one he will take this. Very good. Excellent. The 2 of us, determined. Our position, one is this, you move this side. One is this, everything. This is that I will take to the vehicle. See, this is completely done. So I will take for the first build. Walk. He cannot change his trajectory. And if possible, if you're bold enough, talk to a stranger and ask him. And when you talk to a stranger, for all you know, he thinks that you know the person. Believe in yourself. That is command. Come up with any complications as far as Swamiji is concerned. Swamiji's body language. He sits and he has a smile always. He pushes his specs behind. There are some times when he does this, that means he's bored. Somebody's talking too much. When he doesn't speak, understand when he's also responding, that means he's got something to say, don't take that person. If Swamiji is just nodding, that means he's not interested in the conversation. Clear this in your head. It's not difficult to understand this. When to take initiative, don't hesitate. Hey Ashwin, your name is not Ashwin. Pachi. Oh, beautiful.
हाँ.
You know what we are breaking? There's a connect. There's a chain. Come here. There's a chain. Break this chain. Break this chain. Once you've broken the chain, this person is distracted. Then you can take him anywhere you want.
Politeness and authority, both your things.
Politeness first, authority 5 steps later. Because you can't create a scene in front of Swamiji. We get a mandate. Create a situation to understand later. A lie is okay.
Create some formations to make sure that the area is visible to us.
We create those, if not 5 circles, these 3 circles.
Each one not knowing who's leading the gang on that particular day, and the person closest to the left shoulder is the one who is not going to engage with any aggressor. His sole job is to protect the VIP, drag the VIP from the right of his arm, hide his head, cover it completely. If he has to remove the gun, then he starts surveilling.
Throw. Why is the stampede created? Panic. Then you don't know where to step. You're thinking your life is in danger. But the walls are the best. Or get everybody to lie down and crawl. Because there's no weight on one specific area. When you're on your fours, your weight is divided, right? When you're lying down, your weight is completely divided. But stampede, the worst part is there's too much of noise.
Yeah.
Everybody shouting, so nobody can listen to a command. So if you have the common sense, try to get to the wall. And how much years you can reach? Wall, go towards the wall. If there is somebody who's trying to act smart, let me get him. So you turn, you took more force. Or from there you say you cannot go here. Stay there, quiet. You can't do that. Yeah, you can be authority.
When a person hits a stick onto the head, he comes with the overhead strike. As he gets closer to you, you decrease the distance by creating an angle of 85 degrees with your hand on top of your head to divert the stick to go in an angle dodging your head towards your waist. Put the opposite hand closer to your waist so the stick is hooked onto that hand and you can manipulate the stick, grab it from the opponent to your hand. Whenever you see a knife pointed at you and it's coming towards you, you first move out of the line of fire. Line of fire is the sharp edge which is coming towards you. Move out of the line of fire, hold the outside of the fist and push the fist towards the wrist of the opponent. That's when the palm will open up and the knife will be released. Grab the knife and point it out back at the opponent.
Actually, Vikram now is not here, but he's the one who taught me and Vishal how to foresee your problems. Do not wait for the scenario to arise. Preempt it. Okay, see his both his thumb is here. The 8 fingers are here. Okay, and when I twist this, it goes against his wrist here. You cannot. It's a single man. I go towards his elbow. I see a huge change. That's a huge payback. This change we do not get in confidence. Because they are already trained. What I am teaching them, they are taking. This is basically you get it. At this point, you know that you got to. In less than 3 seconds, you are well confident. See, reflected with my body weight.
Whole overwhelming feel was that I could be of some service to the mutt and Swamiji. Thank you so much.
Swamiji, one thing we tried this time is normally Shibir Antu there is a person for wake up call. So this time there was no wake up call. They were given a time. This is time you need to report. And we saw that the punctuality was much better when instead of having a wake up call.
Very
so
good.
they were taking ownership and accountability of their own
Very
schedule.
good.
That is one difference we saw.
Very good. Otherwise 50 push-ups. कर लें वो.
I realized कि you don't need brute force. Everything is
Exactly.
manipulation, and there's a lock and a key, and there's a key and a lock. So that I think everybody, we could not believe we can actually throw down the guys or hold them in a fireman's lift, but we all did it today. So that was a great.
And in 4 sessions or something, it's remarkable. So you're understanding your body and the somersaults, spatial awareness. I'm very happy.
Two key learnings, Swamiji. When the stick session was happening, while we were being hit with a stick, I think one key thing is if we don't follow instruction instantaneously about what needs to be done, and we try to go based on our prior knowledge, you get hit. If you try to anticipate what the other person is trying to do, you get hit. So that ability to just focus on the instruction and ensure that you do only that without any anticipation is something that was physically, literally drilled into us through a lot of these segments.
Yes.
Which is extremely useful.
And we'll really drill it in again next time, isn't it? No soft sticks, no sugar cane, no wrapped up, regular. Padegi, deflect, don't try to catch. Next. Good, good,
Swamiji,
good.
we were also told about peripheral vision, how important peripheral vision is. So that has made us more aware now. Rather than just focusing at one, we are now trying to get our peripheral vision better, and it's just getting better every day.
Excellent.
It's also making us aware now of the surroundings. So if anybody is just besides us, we are aware about it.
Very good. Very, very necessary. Everything that you're saying, I see it as a quality that a Shishya should have if he is in the seva of the Guru. The same thing is translated into a combat situation maybe. There it is different. It is something dangerous coming and you have to be alert. And here in the Guru Seva, it is something very precious you lose if you don't have this. That is a bigger danger. So all these things have to come up. So collectively, if we have to learn, it will be, this is the best scenario. And it will be very easy to use it in the spiritual context, in the Seva also, remember.
We also learn body languages. When someone is coming towards us, we have to just side. Or we also learn if someone is carrying a gun or a bomb, he will always walk like this. And if someone is following us from behind in a crowded area or alone, we just have to face him or ask him that where is this place or what, or we just have to shout like stop.
Confront, yes.
Swamiji, also initially we had partners, but we wanted more challenging partners too. So the buddy system, it dismantled and we took on other people who were more stronger, more
Very
challenging.
good.
And then it was even more satisfying to topple the guys.
That's another thing. I don't know if it was but the girls are coming out strong, he said. I said, that's always the case here.
Swamiji, another thing is that our fear of getting hurt is significantly reduced, whether it's through words or through falls and hits and all that. So where there's clarity, there's more scope for us to get out of a situation.
Swamiji, we also learned about alertness and reaction time. If we didn't react on time, we will get hurt or harm ourselves from the stranger or anything.
Very good.
So Sanjay Ma'am had mentioned that all of us have aggression inside, but these sessions have truly taken out it in the better way. So that is one thing I had to mention.
Absolutely.
Swamiji, we were taught different pressure points as well.
Very
so
nice.
that came out, and it shows us that those tactics can equally put a person down instead of using just strength. So there were various ones that were taught, and that was very helpful.
स्वामीजी आणि संजय मामान शिकेल की म्हळ्यारी हाईट डजंट मॅटर ऑर वेट डजंट मॅटर कशी असेल तरी यू हॅव टू बी अ विल पॉवर म्हणजे मोटिवेशन इज चांगलं आहे तुम्ही कशी असेल तरी यू कॅन डू इट सो दॅट्स द मॅटर
Very nice. Very nice.
We started our sessions closer to the wall. We ended our sessions crowding Sanjay Ma'am on the last day. So one thing he left us with is if you hesitate, you die.
So all of us initially were doing the drills, we were laughing, as if. Then he said, no, take it like a real life situation. Even if it's your friend, you be serious. You hurt that person, we have medical people available. There are times for laughter and time for aggression.
One takeaway has been that these sessions have removed the fear from us for facing any situation. It might be a situation which we have not trained for in these 2.5 days, but we have the confidence now to face any situation that we can get out of it. And another point was, Sanjay Ma'am taught us we have to always take the initiative. Don't waste time sitting and thinking whether to do it or not. Always take the first initiative. It's okay to do a mistake. Keep learning. And it's also okay to be humiliated. And if there are 2-3 more people who have gotten up to attend to it, if someone has already attended to it, you can sit back, but always take the first step to go on.
Initially, it looks like, they're taking charge of themselves. Eventually, when you develop this to take control of an entire situation, this happens when you are sure that you are in control. You can control your own body, then you can control another body. So what happens, it's an ongoing process. From one thing, it leads to another. Now when they are in a crowded area, they know exactly how to use the crowd to their advantage. They know exactly how to deviate a person from getting very close to Swamiji or somebody carrying during the Ratha Utsav when they are carrying God along with them. So you know how to deviate people who are coming directly in line. It could be, all the while we talk about Swamiji and the deity, but there could be somebody coming towards the wheel of the Ratha. That could be dangerous. I would only advise what I do every day. I make sure that, again 2 decades ago, I got my Japa mantra, Guru mantra, which I do not miss a single day, whichever part of the world I am in. I do my Shiva Kavach every day. And this is not to boast about, it's very personal. I'm just saying this if it helps somebody follow it after me, or after a lot of other people who are doing it already. Why I do this as a routine? Because I feel complete right in the beginning of the day. I feel that I've done something that I have to do. I do not try and keep it for the second half or I think later, because there are so many unforeseen things that happen throughout the day which might not allow me to do it. So first thing in the morning, once you have a bath, just go ahead and do your japa. If you have a kavach, whichever you have taken from Swamiji. I have taken the Shiva Kavach. I make sure I finish it in the first thing, so that the rest of the day I own it. Jai Shankar.
So this was a very unique Shibir. We have had a lot of Mothai experts also, except putting you through all the paces and all. That was different. This will be very, very necessary. He has explained the situation. He has explained what happens to the person when accosted. You have felt it and then you have come out of it, correct? It's not just learn like in some dojo. So these demonstrations, you have been able to do this after just 2.5 days or 5 sessions. I am very impressed. Practice with your friends, practice carefully. That skill set is also very necessary. But remember that fire within has to come out. So if you want to specialize, you want to learn a few things, you feel it is necessary, I'm sure we'll plan out something with Sanjay Ma'am's help, where carefully you can be guided. But this spirit has to come, and I'm sure this sanskara will also come.
I now invite Shri Sanjay Shetty Ma'am to come forward and accept a token of appreciation from at the divine hands of Param Puja Swamiji. I would also request Sanjay Ma'am to please come forward and say a few words about the Sammelanam with all of us.
Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha, Shri Bhavani Shankaraya Namaha, Shri Matreya Namaha. I've spoken throughout the video. I don't know whether you all want to even hear me now. It's been a huge pleasure. I enjoyed everything I did. And as I said, I've never trained civilians before. It's just that something opens up, even in me. Each time I train, I learn myself a lot. Here, the most enlightening part was that there's a fight in everybody. And till the time you don't quit, the fight doesn't end. Usually fight ends when, in the army, the fight ends when somebody dies. Otherwise, the fight goes on. But here, I just saw that people were just warming up, then coming out like, I was figuring out whether the man in a uniform is more aggressive or these people are more aggressive. Because there is a point when you think that I need to stop. Here they were not stopping, and I had 72 in the Shivir, 72 people. And each one had a different quality, because our bones, our way of thinking, everybody has a different fingerprint, so everybody has a different way of approaching things. But the unique part was, within this whole thing, was they all could manage. And today when I just did one small session this morning, most of them were the ones who had already done the Shibir, and they could remember everything. And I'm amazed. This doesn't happen with uniform people, with the soldiers. Probably they'll go into many other classes, maybe that's the case. But here, these guys were actually remembering every sequence of those 2.5 days. And it's been over a month and a half. I'm amazed in one session, one 3-day session, they have grasped so much. I am only glad to learn this myself. To begin with, I met Swamiji through Bipin Mam, and this whole thing wouldn't have probably been possible without Bipin and Vishal, who helped me. It looks like a one-man thing. It's not. It was a team effort at the end of the day. Thank you so much. Very good.
Thank you, Sanjay ma'am. As you rightly said, we had Shri Bipin Nadkarni and Shri Vishal Kharat also help create this video and capture all of these precious moments that we all experienced at the Sammelanam. Shri Bipin Nadkarni is a celebrated filmmaker known for his exemplary work such as Uttarayan, Evde Se Abhar and Darban. He is also a well-renowned ad filmmaker and has made many popular TVCs. He is currently the president of the Grant Road Local Sabha of Sri Chitrapur Mutt and has actively contributed his expertise and talent towards various Mutt-related media projects, most notably the Swamis of Chitrapur series. I invite Sri Bipin Nadkarni ma'am to come forward and accept a token of gratitude from Param Puja Swamiji. Shri Vishal Kharat is an art filmmaker and a musician with over 20 years of experience. Starting as a film editor on projects such as Uttarayan, he has since created impactful art films while continuing his journey as a musician, blending storytelling and sound in unique ways. I invite Shri Vishal Kharat ma'am to come forward and accept a token of gratitude from Param Puja Swamiji. आता हांव स्वामांगल चरण कमलेंतू प्रार्थना करता की तांणी आमकां सगळ्यांक उपदेश दिवन धन्य कोरका म्हणून
कर्णस्वर्णविलोलकुण्डलधरामापीनवक्षोरुहां मुक्ताहारविभूषणां परिलसद्धम्मिल्लसम्मल्लिकाम् लीलालोलितलोचनां शशिमुखीं आबद्धकाञ्चीसृजं दीव्यन्तीं भुवनेश्वरीं अनुदिनं वन्दामहे मातरम् आनन्दाश्रमशिष्याग्र्यं स्वानन्दाम्बुधिमच्चितम् आनन्दाश्रमिणं वन्दे परिज्ञानाश्रमं गुरुम् ॐ श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः श्रीभवानीशङ्कराय नमः श्रीमात्रे नमः नवरात्री वेळारी हो कार्यक्रम जाताच हो सगळो कार्यक्रम गुरुचरणी अर्पण करच्यान तो म्हाका वैयक्तीक मस्त खुशी जाताच नवरात्री निमित्त आमी शक्ती जागरण करता ती आनी ती अशीच एक शक्ती न्हय I generate some Shakti so that I'll be able to use it, okay. But I generate that or I invoke that divine Shakti which is going to give me the adhikara to become a nimitta. So my understanding will also ripen and I won't ever misuse the Shakti. This is the whole idea behind coming here and doing this Navaratri Anushtan. And this, on this occasion, this particular thing is proving extremely fulfilling for me. This is not the beginning of Navaratri nor is it the ending. Hang than hai sur zalele ashi कार्यक्रम जाताना मस्त sophisticated equipment असता इत्यादी जाल्यारी कार्यक्रम जायना फुडें आमी एक 4-5 लोकां सांगाती कुटीराधिकान वतना आयकल वें म्हळ्यार एक्चुअली म्हाकशी आयकनी जाल्यार थंय आयकनी तुमी सांगयेशील न्ही मागीर पोस्टमॉर्टमय जाता एक्चुअली पोस्टमॉर्टम वी कॉल इट पोस्टमॉर्टम आफ्टर अ शिबीर वी हैव अ पोस्टमॉर्टम सेशन I mean, after the Shivir is done, we have to check out what happened, certain unhappy things, those are resolved, how can we do better. But this, what I am saying, is not postmortem, it is pure murder. You know everybody, you know me. And by the time I reached the Kutir, a lot of inputs are there. Actually, I think, the speaker was there and there was somebody stand. That is why it was not audible. And this, that is Jagrata, but Uttishta nahi hua. You should have said, raise the volume there itself. That doesn't happen. And I have to listen to all this garbage in the name of Jagrata. Understand that? I'm not going to elaborate. To avoid that, this session had been conducted. Uttishta, tavvali karati, makiri, makai kalnai, kashi hang kurche. What is the use? So, ya vasari samajache ek barepan jayena. Samskara sati, you know what to do when you uttishta. You won't just run into the road or something. But get up. Vai na vai. So आता तुमचेर चड येतले vai na vai. कळ्ळें हांग यो म्हळ्यार 2 पंतां आपयता ती तिसर पंत you hand over the mic to somebody else. So this had to come and I cannot bring this. I have dealt with the earlier volunteers. आता तुम्ही एक नेक्स्ट जनरेशन तुम सांगा ती चिकेची गोमटे कोण लवका इत्यादी सहज असता नॅचरली पळयलें अरे जो कोपायले अकल करचें सो हांवें शिबीर करयलें and as Sanjay Ma'am just said, all that enthusiasm came out and you'll punish yourself and smarten up. I don't have to do nothing. Then I can, whatever I love, I feel for you, I can express that. Because now you're coming up to the mark. So this is very, very required. We'll be requesting Sanjay Ma'am in the second session to create smaller modules for you where you can come to Kerala or Bangalore or even 3 or 4 of you, certain body movements and that leverage, so it becomes almost muscle memory they can practice. You don't have to take the person straight to the ground. So Tashi, it will be very nice. Our second session, we'll be requesting you to do that. Understand that. Understand कसलं जाता आसा आनी आमकां कितलें खुशी जाता आसा हांव कोण करता आसा सगळे बरे बरे लोक येवन करता आसा ती समाजाचें एक बरेपण जाता आसा हें गुरूंक अर्पण करच्यान तुका खुशी जायना हांवें आमी इतलो जप केलो इतलो सप्तशतीचें पारायण केलें एंड दॅट इज ओके बट द जागरणा कल जाता आसा एट ऑल लेवल्स दिस वॉज नॉट रियली प्लॅन्ड आउट देर वॉज अ डीप डिझायर संजय माम तितलो वर्स दोन परिचय आसा जाल्यार आय हॅव नेवर बीन एबल टू ब्रिंग हिम present him to my samaj म्हळेलें आतां it has happened so beautifully तशी it is very fulfilling so remember that ते कर्मान तो आमी एक अशुद्धी हाडूनच्या पळयता ती यद्यत् कर्म करोमि तदखिलम शंभो हे शंभो तवाराधनम. तें तुगल आराधन म्हूण लायक कोण म्हणटा? द साधक का प्रयास निमित्त जावचे कोण प्रयत्न करता असं. इट मे हॅव बीन well executed a karma starting from the sankalpa. It may have not been handled very well. There may have been a lot of unhappy feelings in my mind when I was doing it, ityadi. Or it may have been excellent karma. Whatever, I offer it to you. Generally, offering is after you have done the karma, correct? And we seek to get inspiration, be aware as we are doing the karma that where is the Shakti coming from? It's not just my Shakti. If I'm aware of that, I'll let that transformation in me happen. Otherwise, I'll be only motivated by my single instinct. If I'm angry, I have to be angry, I have to display that anger. If I open myself out, I may give myself a chance to understand I can deal with the situation without being angry. I'll execute what needs to be done and retract. Nimitta samjha. Very briefly, I'm taking you through these various. So now, Hantu, this sort of an exercise where the Jagran Uttishta Pailsata, you will find it easier to relate to that Shakti, not post-mortem. Batao, I am ready already now. You give me the guidance, what I should do. All your samskaras, all the anushtans that you have done will come into action. If that resistance is there, if that dakshana, kurchkina ham kurcha and all that is there, menj panyatta. So we are burning it away using all these possible sadhanas. This is also sadhana. So yadyat karomi tat tadakhilam tat सगळं हम अर्पण करताना म्हणताना मागीर मनश बदलाक करता करतना आमी ते अनुभव करूया तितले एक सतर्कता आयल्या. So all these experiments, remember, first example दिलेला आहे. Each one of you can contribute intelligently on how many cues, opportunities you get when you come here, where you could have meaningfully contributed by correct suggestion maybe or anything. What held you back, dakshana or petty-mindedness or what, I don't know. Throw away those disqualifications so that you become shishyas, not just mere sadhakas. Very strongly आम्ही हे सांगचें एक उद्धार जावं का वैयक्तिक असो समाजाचो असो ही ओजस्विता येवंकाची. आनी हें दृश्टांत आमकां कल मेळ्ळ्या हांगेले एक 3 दिवसां शिबिरांतू मुखारी कार्यक्रमांत वी गोन टू इन्क्लूड दीज थिंग्स. मागीर ते कसले बरे संस्कार आसा ती परंपरागत तुमकां प्राप्त जाल्या दॅट रियली फ्रक्टिफाय ब्लॉसम्स आमच्या सूर जातले. ती सतर्कता तुमी दवरपा पडटली. शिबिर जातना आमी हांकां परत मेळ्ळेलीं. आय थिंक वी वर कॉट अप. प्रवीण माम वॉज देर वर लॉट ऑफ मिटिंग्स हॅपनिंग. सो आय कुडंट sort of attend everything and see what was going on. All that I could say is Gamtekar Ati, but really what I could really probably say was I really envy you people. त्या वेळारी आमकां अशें कोणें मेळ न्ही संजय मामा वारी putting me through those paces. कितलो स्किल सेट येता गतस्वें. इट्स नॉट कलकी एक कलकी परिस्थितीन थँक करची म्हळ्यार हांगा आमी पळयता त्यान सूर केलेलें. आमी तीर्थ येता ती कोणें येता मस्त वेळ उलयता आसा आमकां आयकना आनी ती कोण कोणालें मगल ना ती हांवें तो नांव घेना ती सांगता आसा ती नो कम्युनिकेशन हॅपनींग. बट वचून वचना ती. आनी आमगेले मागशी वॉलंटियर्स मामा पांचये कोण पोरसुयता कसलें सांत्वन दिता आसत की सांगला का ही कॉटॉन कशी डिस्ट्रॅक्ट करचें गोमटे करून व्हरचें. इट इज अ स्किल सेट कलकोचें शिकपा पडटा. So you learn what you are communicating through your body language. Fear, diffidence, already inviting trouble. Now that is the first thing that will go with this sort of training. Vaikina. Then you begin to understand the other person also. So Hagurta skill sets ata. And it is, for me, it is all spiritual sadhana. If you cannot connect to the outside and think just sitting and trying to do japa is adequate, you can never benefit. Shishyatva yana tantu. You may become a sadhaka of sorts. How will you understand instinctively, later on intuitively, the directions, the cues, etc. So this fine-tuning, honing with the push to make you understand swiftly. And just before this, the seniors who are honored here, Nivritta, what Nivritta? Who has Nivrittified you? I don't know. Pada Krishnananda says no. चलतं दे आर दी सीनियर ज्येष्ठाः वरिष्ठाः ये अध्यापकाः तेषां सम्माननम् अधुना अत्रैव अभवत्। पश्यतु, यदा कोऽपि संशयः अस्ति चेत् कं वा पृच्छामि, कृष्णानन्दमहोदयः, can you please check out Kancha Shastrantanya, Kancha Upanishadanta? Within 45 minutes he's got it from me. Then आमगेल विमर्श जाता. तशीच स्तरवर्धन करतना भायरच्यान हार्श बदला कहींची करता आसती. सो तशी एक समृद्धीचा आमी अनुभव करता ती तांणी दे हॅव रिट्रॅक्टेड. सो तुमी शिकायाती बट आनी कसलें जावंक जाल्यार आमी आसत म्हणून ती करता आसती. तेवे एक समाजाची जागृती आमकां हांगा पळोवच्या मेळ्ळी. सो प्रत्येक स्तरार एक शक्ती संचार करून ताजो सदुपयोग कशें जाता असो इन दिस सभा वी आर एबल टू प्रेजेंट एट द फीट ऑफ दुर्गा परमेश्वरी स्वाम्यांगेल चरणी. इजंट दॅट ब्युटिफुल? विल दॅट नॉट मेक देम हॅपी? संस्कृत आज केल्लें कले डिग्रीज घेवचे आसत. वी स्टार्टेड विथ संस्कृत. वॉट वॉज इट? आय वॉज वेरी डिफिडंट. I have learned Sanskrit in a different manner with all the memorizing and all. How do I bring it to a Samaj? I had no idea, but it started well. And surprisingly, the Sanskrit classes are the most entertaining. Lots of jokes, humor, and they are learning colloquial Sanskrit also. It's beautiful. The only thing, the spiritual sort of orientation was I had given is, Saraswati ki aradhana karna chahte ho. Saraswati is Hamsavahini. So it starts with your breath. Learn to regulate your breath so that the voice comes out well. And then Saraswati's most evident manifestation is Vani. बहुत अच्छा बोल लेते हो, सरस्वती का अनुग्रह है. तो वाणी पे संयम लाओ ना. गलत बोलना कम करो, अनर्गल बोलना कम करो. Your आराधना of Saraswati has started. Then when you have to bring it out, see that your breathing etc. is regulated, and she'll be very happy. And then she'll reside in your heart. Why? Because you have created that saha regulation there, and she has to come. Mind is also peaceful. So practically using these elements, don't you use it? Mandatory sakani pranayama, diaphragmatic breathing, Saraswati Vahana, then the Saushtava, disciplining the Vani, and then giving it that culture of Sanskritaचे. संस्कृतांतेंच उलोवचें. थंय संपूर्ण एक सौष्ठव म्हणटा ती शब्दाचो येवच्या सूर जाता, अपभ्रंश न्हय. तशें आमी आराधन केल्या त्या शक्तीची. कमिंग डावन टू नाव वॉट संजय माम हॅज गिवन अस ऑल. एक लेट इट मॅनिफेस्ट एट ऑल लेवल्स. दिस इज अ कंप्लीट आराधना of the Guru Shakti that I perceive here being demonstrated. कितकी वर्सांचे प्रयत्न मुखारी जावचे आसा, बट ह्या एक दिवसाक आमी ते अर्पण करता आसती. ह्या कार्यक्रमांत तो कोण भाग घेतलो की धन्य तो आनंद अनुभव करचो, तुमकां लाभ मेळटा. युवा पिढीचेर तुमगेलो आशिर्वाद आसा, मार्गदर्शन करा. ती करतना तुमी आजून कितें सांगना म्हूण हांव करता म्हूण कोर नाका. ती बॅक ऑफ डिस्क्रिटली करा. ती तुमगेलो स्कील सेट डेवलप करा. ती एंड यू ऑल्सो स्मार्टन अप. गमटेकून कोरका, निमित्त जावन कोरका. यू विल गेट अबंडंट ऑपॉर्च्युनिटीज इन फ्युचर वेर आय कॅन टेस्ट युअर स्किल्स. नवे नवे लोकांनी येतना तुमी कल करतात पळोवया. आय गिव यू दॅट एक्सपोजर. Hone their skills. In this, it's okay. New people coming, I want to see how they'll react, how they'll respond to the situation. We'll give them enough opportunities. So with that challenge, let's गमटेकोन एक प्रार्थना करूया. गुरुचरणी आमगेले एक स्पिरिच्युअल लक्ष्य आसा, तें केन्ना च्युती जावना. वी हॅव टू मूव इन दॅट डायरेक्शन. बट ते करतना इट्स नॉट लायक यू पुट ब्लिंकर्स एंड ट्राय टू गो. ही वॉन्ट्स यू टू अंडरस्टँड एवरीथिंग. I am everywhere. So you will be manifesting that by recognizing and using the best in all situations. And it ek rasata yamcha sur jata. Starting from very basic things like, I think there was a mention, Sanjay Mam said, physical training sur kor kapadtala, maintain that, don't let that go. Magyar has jata. That's the bedrock. Even sadhan kor chaslari. And aspire for higher and higher understanding, participation, and then surrendering to that with great joy and very meaningfully. गमटेकून करूया. मस्त खुशी जाता आसा. दिग्भजन करूया ना. सो आय एम व्हेरी हॅपी तुमी सगळीं आयलीं, म्हालगडी, युवा पिढी. विशाल मामलकल सांगचे 20 वर्स पयलें संजय मामान यात्ताना आतां चिके जोश मस्त आशिल्लो आनी आमकां करताना तुमकां आमकां सांगचें ना बा जाल्या रे चिक्के चड स्लायटली मोर डायसी थिंग्स विशाल माम हॅड टू बी देर बिकॉज संजय माम हॅड टू शो हाव इट इज डन ॲक्च्युली सो ही वॉज ऑलवेज देर सो तावडून हांगेले एक परिचय आसा अत्यंत एक मधुर संबंध आनी ह्या दिवस आय एम व्हेरी हॅपी दॅट यू both come here on this occasion where I can offer all this at the feet of my Guru, which is very fulfilling for me. बिपिन मामालेकल की एक परिचय कोण दिल्लो जाल्यार आसा खुशीची ताणें पयलीं आमकां संजय मामाल परिचय कोण दिलेलो आनी तशीची वाड हिंतून वतना प्लॅन करचें आनी लास्ट 2 पंत तांणीच फूल जबाबदारी घेवन केल्लेलें सो पयली चिरपरिचित ही आसा ती इट इज नायस टू अंडरस्टँड an old relationship in so many different new forms now, the richness that has come by something that was triggered a long time ago. My obsession with some karate or something which I was totally unfit for even by the time I came here, and then to see a master at that, willing to share his whatever skill sets and now doing so much for my Samaj. Thank you both of you. December का है याद रखिएगा 2 days you have promised me 6 sessions. I think it's all lined up, Kuti Ma'am, correct? For the Yugadhara Shibir. And this time I'll permit senior volunteers also. We'll get them to do something, but no lining up, sitting there and bravo and all that. You do. They don't require any moral support. Participate, then fine. Because in the next session onwards, I don't want any, because we'll be filming it, I don't want to see them smiling. They have to get over that also. Ekadakshan asthana jatta, it's not a joke, it's serious. So you observe this, see where you are coming out like a clown. Karta sati. I'm not joking around, it's my mutt. So you learn, you give it that same seriousness that you do when you are sitting in japa. Dakshana asta, embarrassment asta. I'm trying to do something and I fumble and it falls and I'll smile. I want to relieve that tension. So you're doing that when you're executing or getting out of a hold and all. Stop that. Focus on that. Don't try to show your... Makes sense? Small things. So you view it once, see how you have come out better even there. Tavarta strength yachele, which Sanjay Ma'am said. Think this is a serious, actual situation. Okay? You won't become more aggressive. You'll become very pliant and you'll know exactly what to do. All that energy won't go off in trying to cover up your inability or fear. By smiling or something. Makes sense? You have understood, no? I'm not scolding or something. So learn these things also. Come take on Korea. The child manka tirthan dimchiski. I can't hear you, sorry. They're lined up. If you make some space, can they just take tirth and go? Or will they like to participate in this bhajan, in which case they can come here and sit here? इथे येऊ शकतात ना? Lined up मग कितलं सती? Just 40, 60. I asked for it. असं बस जाते पायार घेऊन बस करायत. हांग घेऊन बस येत नाही. Let them participate in the bhajan. And then I'll give them tirth first. See, it's the rasata, the intelligence of, whatever is happening here. When we have Durga Puja, और कोई चंडी हवन वगैरह होता है, फिर कुमारी का पूजा करके रखती हैं. Those girls are brought from a certain age. The mother elements, some aspects of the mother are invoked in those children, and literally those aspects, those shaktis are propitiated. The child is very happy, gets something and all. But we see that. Now that is a traditional Shastrokta Kumarika Puja. And now what the Samaj has done is, it's getting youngsters, these children from various institutions here, they get an exposure to my Guru Sannidhi, etc. And they're giving them a lot of inputs, like Sanskrit ka, this and all. So we have called this particular activity also Kumarika Pujan. So on the social levels also we can bring it down and make it, so we have sponsors for that, all that free food. Actually earlier it was directly from an orphanage nearby. So I said this is also Kumarika Pujan. Now this is a different year, very nice institution, but those children also come. So they get an outing. My volunteers also hone their skill sets. सो द शास्त्रोक्त जो है उसको सामाजिक स्तर पे भी अच्छी तरह से लाया जा सकता है. आता एक भजन करूया. जल की किलगोन कोण बसले आंत पळय आम खांगतान दिसता तीं कशें बसल्यात आनी तुमी कशें बसल्यात. हे गुरु भवसिंधु तारक पूर्ण करी मम कामना. हे गुरु भव सिंधु तारक पूर्ण करी मम कामना. तू सदा हृदयात राही हीच माझी प्रार्थना. हीच माझी प्रार्थना. ह्या जगी तू एकटा त्राता अनाथा रक्षणा. धीरे चिर शांती सुख संत्रस्त या माझ्या मना. दूर मज लोटू नको रे जाण माझ्या भावना. तू सदा हृदयात राही हीच माझी प्रार्थना. हीच माझी प्रार्थना. जीवनी या एक माझी आस ही हृदयांतरी. तव पदी राहो अखंडित सद्गुरो करुणाखना नन्दन्तु साधकाः सर्वे विनश्यन्तु विदूषकाः अवस्थाशाम्भवी मेस्तु प्रसन्नोऽस्तु कुरु सदा सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखमाप्नुयात् ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः ॐ नमः पार्वतीपतये हर हर